Man, I fight the police. The police say go down road, him a go up road. Down the road you fi come, down the road. You turn up a dig for. Come down the road. You can't do officer nothing neither. It's against the law. Yeah. It's against the law. You still follow the man? And one to your boy. Move myself. It's against the law. You are in a mask. Why resisting? Why resisting the officer, sir? Why resisting the officer? Go give me, go give me, go give me, go give me. Take him out, see a master. See a master, man, again. See man, give a master, man. Where the mask, man? Hey, put on the mask, man. Put on the mask, the fireman, man. Hey, where the mask, man? Don't too stubborn, man. Put on the mask, man. Rasta man, put on the mask, no Rasta man, man.
No problem, you want a mask.
Can't resist the officer, man. Put on the mask, man. Put on the mask, the fireman, man. Don't make things difficult, so man. Put on the mask, man. Well, I make it take up your shoes. Take up your shoes, eh? Give me your shoes, liar. Put on the mask, man. I make everything alright, man. Put on the mask, Rastaman, man. Rastaman. Rastaman. Put on the mask, Rastaman, man. Yes, yeah. Go in the vehicle. Go in the vehicle, Rasta. Rastaman, put on the mask, man. Please and thanks, man.
Put on the mask. Go in the vehicle.
Put on the mask, the fireman, man. Oh, we are begging you to put on the mask here now. Put on the mask, so.
Go in the vehicle.
Rasta, waste time, man. Put on the mask. Put on the mask, fireman, man. Put on the mask, the fireman, man. Put on the mask, no, man. Put on the mask, the fireman, man. Fireman, put on the mask. We are begging you to put on the mask here now. Put on the mask. Officer, arrest this man can't have no mask here, sir. This man have no mask. So officer, arrest him. Yeah. I'm stubborn. The stubborn officer man, you know. Man a give have no mask and man a give mask. I don't want none. Put on the mask, Rasta. Put on the mask. Put on the mask, the fireman, man. Sarge, Sarge, let him go, let him go. Sarge say nah, let him go, no, brother.
If you don't put on the mask, man, I'll let you go.
Hey, put on the mask, man. Put on the mask and make the man let you go, no, brother.
You can't stick it here, so you can't stick it to mine.
That no say? Yeah, put on the mask and give you a chance, man.
You mad, man?
Yeah.
Oh, you know, say you're mad.
Yeah? That's your problem, then.
Put on the mask, no Rasta man. They just a stiff up, so put on the mask, no, man. God, man.
Yeah, you might shoot him.
Nah, shoot him, man. Put on the mask, no, man. Rasta, put on the mask. Rasta, put on the mask. Put on the mask, no, man. Just put on the mask and make the man let you go, no, man. Hey, put on your mask and make the man let you go, no, fireman, man. Hey, it's difficult, so brother. Put on the mask. Put on the mask and make the man let you go. Because if you have your mask in a public place. That's what him say. Because you not put on your mask in a public place. Put it on, man. Put it on, man. Put you on the mask, the fireman, man. You refuse to put on the mask, but the man now let you go.
We're gonna put in the vehicle. Alright? You're going to pull. You're going to carry the vehicle, arrest and charge you.
For what?
For what?
Yeah.
You're doing that already. You think I'm a stop record?
That's what I'm doing right now. We're going to charge for the
Rasta man to bando. Man say nah put on no mask.
You decide that, yeah?
Put on the mask. The boss you have to start lock you up in the car. You refuse to put on the mask. So you have to start lock you up. I'm sure you know you don't really want to get locked up. Put on the mask, brother.
You're going to come on, come.
Yo, you got jail, brother. Put your mask on,
Alright?
Put on your mask, brother. You there?
That nice long to yes.
I'm talking, man.